In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Calendar. Are you managing multiple projects and tasks and finding it challenging to keep up with all the deadlines and appointments? Well, you're in luck because today I'll walk you through integrating your Monday.com boards with Google Calendar. This will not only help you synchronize your tasks and deadlines, but also ensure that you stay on top of your schedule with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, locate your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to find and click on the Automations option. This is where the magic starts, as automations allow you to set up various actions and triggers to automate your workflow. Next, in the Automations menu, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in Google Calendar. This action is your gateway to finding all the automation recipes related to Google Calendar. Monday.com has made it absolutely intuitive for you to find what you need without any hassle. After hitting the search button, you should now see the Google Calendar option pop up in your search results. Go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial because it brings you closer to the integration features you're looking for. Now, this is where things get exciting. You'll be prompted to choose a template that best suits your needs. The templates provided by Monday.com are designed to cater to various use cases, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Once you've found a template that resonates with your workflow, select it. Following the selection of a template, you'll now have the opportunity to choose the board that you wish to connect with Google Calendar. This could be any board that you're actively using to manage tasks, projects, or anything that requires timely follow-ups. Once you've made your selection, click on Connect. This action takes you one step closer to achieving synchronization between Monday.com and Google Calendar. Now, for the integration to work, you'll need to select the Google account you want to use with this connection. You'll be redirected to a Google login page where you should choose the account you prefer to integrate. After selecting your Google account, you'll be asked to continue. This is pretty standard with any third-party integration where permissions need to be granted for the two services to work together seamlessly. Click on Continue to proceed. Google will now show you a list of permissions that Monday.com requires to function effectively with Google Calendar. Take your time to read through these permissions to ensure you're comfortable with the access being granted. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click on Select All. We're almost there. After selecting the permissions, click on Continue to finalize the integration process. This step is significant because it's where the connection between Monday.com and Google Calendar is officially established. Now, back in Monday.com, click on Create Automation. This is where you define the specific actions and triggers for how and when your tasks and events should synchronize between Monday.com and Google Calendar. For instance, if you want to create an event in Google Calendar every time a new item is added or updated in your Monday.com board, find the option that says, when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. This powerful automation ensures that every change in your board reflects in your Google Calendar, keeping you aligned and on track. After selecting your desired automation, choose what event you want, for example, due date. This specificity ensures that the right information is synced and available, making it incredibly easy for you to follow through on your tasks and appointments. Finally, click on Done, and voila, you've successfully created an automation that synchronizes your Monday.com board with your Google Calendar. With this integration, you're now set to streamline your work process, ensuring that you never miss a beat with your scheduled tasks and deadlines. Integrating Monday.com with Google Calendar can significantly improve how you manage your time and tasks, giving you a comprehensive view of your obligations directly from your calendar. Remember, staying organized and ahead of your schedule is key to achieving your goals. And with these steps, you're well on your way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials that will help you work smarter, not harder.